Hi there, so Mr. Blossom from Bayhouse School. I'm just going to show some Year 9 pupils how to make bakewell tart. I'm going to be trying the bakewell challenge, which is trying to do like a speed challenge of getting it in the oven nice and quickly. The rules of it are, you are allowed to have all your equipment out. As you can see, I've got the pastry here, 100 grams of flour, 50 grams of butter or marge. I've got the jam mixed up in a bowl. I've got a rolling pin out, a flouring ring, a baking tray. My sponge mix is weighed up, 50 self-raising flour, 50 butter or marge, 50 sugar and 1 egg. You can put almonds in it if you like, but you'd have to take some of the flour out, or you could put almond essence in. I have got a bowl of water. We need 2 tablespoons of water for this, and I've got a scraper out and the electric whisk is plugged in. So we're going to start after. I've got a timer. You can't see the timer, but it's behind the camera, and we're going to start it in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go. The first job is to rub the butter into the flour or margarine. Try and do this obviously reasonably quickly. You can't have lumps of butter in it. If any other pupils do this and they're doing the challenge, they get a time penalty if they haven't rubbed it in sufficiently. If it was a warm day, it'd be slightly quicker than this because the margarine would be slightly softer. Once it's all rubbed in together, 2 tablespoons of water, 1, 2, with one hand mix it together. This is normally the exact amount. Mix it round with one hand, is quicker, and hold the bowl. Squeeze it together. Don't leave any pastry in the bowl. So as you can see, no pastry in the bowl. Put it on the table, onto the floured table, spin it round. If you end up with a circle, you want to start with a circle. Roll it, spin it, roll it, spin it, roll it, spin it. Bit of flour on top. Roll it. One more roll, that'll be big enough. Lift it up round the ring, onto the ring. Lift it up, tuck it in. This is one thing the pupils are not very good at. Lift it up, tuck it in, push it up against the sides. You can use the rolling pin to cut off the excess. With the sponge straight in the bowl that you've made the pastry in. Whisk it for 30 seconds. This is one rule. That was 136. So that means I have to whisk it till it says 206. So you have to whisk it while I'm doing this. Can't tidying up the thing. Start getting the jam in. So I have to do at least 30 seconds with the whisking. I'll do the last bit of it. So another 4 seconds. 6. Jam in. Spread the jam around. Sponge in. Scrape up. So you're going to get a time penalty for any sponge left in the bowl. Spread it around, and any sponge left on the spoon as well. There'll be a time penalty for that if there's more than 10 grams. Straight in the oven, and the time is 2:49. As you can see, we're going to weigh this now. Do you know what this is? I would need to get some scales. Hopefully there's some in this cupboard, which there are. So if you get more than 10 grams worth here, I'm going to show this here. Switch this on. Let's push it to 0. That's it. So that is, I don't know if the camera can see that. Can the camera see that there?
No.
So I'm going to show you the camera, or I'm going to move the camera to that bit there. So that's 172 grams. 172 grams. So really, once I've washed it, which I'm going to wash it now. Throw the bowl on the floor. That wasn't very good. Wash the bowl up. It should only be 162 grams. Wash the bowl up. Hot soapy water. And the scraper. And the spoon. Scraper. Spoon. Wash the bowl up. Put the tea towel dried up. I wish the kids could wash up as quickly as that, we'd be laughing, but they don't. Put that back on here. So this was 172 grams before, so hopefully this should be at least 162 with all this on. And there's 164 here, so that's 8 grams worth of sponge I had in the bowl. So I wouldn't get a time penalty. So that's 2:49 to beat. If you can beat that, please let me know. Thank you from Bay House School.